Well, the home renovation shows are all starting up. Is this releasing your inner Tim the Tool Man? Well, before you start, here are some questions to ask yourself. Number one, what's your timeline? And what's your budget? Are you renovating to sell or to stay? If selling, does a house need a reno or just a refresh? If you're selling, consider renovations only when they're absolutely necessary. Remember, if you renovate just one room, the rest of the house will look older and more dated. Sometimes, all it takes is a deep clean and some fresh paint. Cleaning or replacing caulking or grout can also help refresh a place. Cabinetry can be updated with new hardware, and brighter lights can also help open up a room. Switch out old light bulbs for brighter LED bulbs can make all the difference that you need. Window treatments can also make a home look dated. Removing fussy drapes and curtains can change the look of a room. If you're staying, but if you're thinking of selling in about 5 to 7 years, here are some areas that you might want to consider. Kitchens. Kitchens are the heart of the home. Key things to upgrade are appliances, countertops, flooring, lights, backsplash, and hardware. Bathrooms are another area you should think about. Is the ensuite a 2-piece powder room? Consider adding a shower if it's possible. Other things that can make a difference in a bathroom are light fixtures, faucets, and hardware. Changing the flooring, sinks, and countertops can also help make the home look up to date. Storage and closets are other updates that are worth doing. If they're small, see if there's any way of expanding them. Install good quality organizers to give them a much more luxurious feel. So, happy renovating!